A young father storms into court, carrying the crushing weight of single parenthood, while the mother of his child is nowhere to be found. At just 21, he sacrificed his youth, his dreams, and every dollar for his son, while she vanishes into nightlife and excuses. Today, he demands not pity, but justice, and the judge is ready to deliver a reckoning Felicia can't escape.
Rise. Support Court with Judge Vanda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1068, Bookman case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Doesn't look like the mom showed up today. All right. Mr. Bookman, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, first of all, I'm going to say my woman Felicia is a deadbeat mother. She left me about 7 months ago. I'm 21 years old.
Wait a minute. Is her real name Felicia, or are you just calling her
No,
Felicia?
her real name's Felicia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, whatever it is, I don't know. It was a one-night stand, and then, all that thing, it's just in the past. But the problem is I work 2 jobs. I bust my butt every single day for my child and all that. And the problem is I pay about $108 in insurance, but the mother doesn't do anything. She doesn't pay. I mean, look at right now. It's irresponsible. She's sitting not even there.
Yeah, I'm looking at an empty
So my
chair.
problem is how am I supposed to be able to take care of this child by myself? And I'm stuck, not be able to afford everything when it comes to groceries, when it comes to clothing, when it comes to everything, all the other expenses. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay. How long has your child, it's a boy or girl?
It's a boy.
Okay. How long has he been living with you?
7 months.
All right. So she took off 7 months ago?
Yeah, and never hit me back up again.
So you were the...
Court opens with tension. Mr. Bookman storms in, exposing Felicia's absence. At only 21, juggling 2 jobs, insurance, and fatherhood, he's desperate for accountability. The weight of responsibility crushes him.
Said it was a one-night stand, so...
Well, I'm not gonna
She
lie,
got up
man.
and left you after, the morning after?
Be honest, man, I might have took it a little bit more than what it intended to be.
After one night?
I love that woman a lot, but I guess, sadly she doesn't love me.
Well, I believe in love at first sight too. So I get it. Totally understand. Okay. Take your time.
It's man, I'm 21, and I had dreams and I had opportunities and, myself, got carried away with women. And, all I'm asking is, for this woman to come into my child's life and be able to take care of what a mother should do, right? And my issue is that I'm stuck doing all these things while this woman, God forbid, I don't know where, is not even trying. And it sucks because I've reached out to her. I've contacted her.
What does she do? Like, does she work?
I don't know.
Okay.
Last time I checked, she wasn't working. She was just going to the club all the time.
Bookman reveals heartbreak. What began as a one-night stand turned into love, but Felicia vanished. Alone, he raises their son, questioning how a mother can disappear without remorse.
Yeah, she was in school and all that. But, that's no excuse, man.
I agree that it's definitely not an excuse, and that was definitely a Felicia move not to show up to court today. So you are asking for some type of child support?
Yes, I'm asking just a little bit to help this child and all that, because I feel like, it takes 2 to tango. So I feel like it should be definitely 2 people helping a child, not just one person and all that. All I'm asking is to be able to take care of this child and help me when it comes to expenses, when it comes so this child can have a better life and a better opportunity than what I've done.
But you don't have any income information on her, like...
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Last time I checked, there was none.
Okay. All right. So look, this is what we can do. She did not show up for court today. And according to the court documents that you filed, she was served to be here. So we can go ahead and move forward.
His voice cracks. He sacrificed dreams and youth, forced to grow up too fast. Felicia parties at clubs, while he sacrifices every dollar to clothe, feed, and protect their child.
Have to set her child support at minimum wage. Okay. So with that being said, the minimum wage amount Her gross is $1,092.78, which brings her net. Well, she has one other child, right? Or no, this is her only child. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that I know of.
That you know of.
I don't know if she's going around and shit, but you know.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. So I'm sorry, I misspoke. Her gross is $1,200 based on minimum wage. Her net is $1,092.78.
Judge listens closely. His words aren't pity, they're fire. He doesn't want excuses, he wants fairness. Raising a son alone, he pleads for partnership in parenting, not abandonment.
For one child, that brings her child support amount to $219 even. And you said you pay $108, correct, in health insurance?
In insurance every month.
Okay, so you will, she will have to reimburse that to you. And you said she's been gone about 7 months?
7 months.
All right, so I'm also going to order that mom reimburse you for the back pay. So her child support obligation is $219 per month plus the $108. Then we're going to have her pay back child support for 7 months.
He begs the court. Felicia must return, not just financially, but as a mother. His pain turns to rage. Why should he alone bear the crushing costs of parenthood?
At $50 per month, okay? So $219 plus $50 plus the $108 for health insurance, that brings her monthly obligation to $377. That's how much she'll be obligated to pay you. Now, without any income information, without knowing who her employer is, we don't have the information to send to her employer in order to deduct those.
Judge cuts in. Felicia's absence won't stall justice. With no income proof, court sets support at minimum wage. A tiny step, but a spark of accountability against Felicia's irresponsibility.
Payments. However, when she does find suitable employment and we're able to send the order to an employer, then we'll be able to deduct those payments. And in the meantime, she'll just be in arrears. The money will be in back pay.
So how am I supposed to take care of this child?
Well, you'll keep doing it as you've been doing, which I definitely commend you. However, until
Bookman listens stunned. $219 in support plus $18 insurance reimbursement ordered. It's modest relief, but a recognition that he's been carrying the full burden alone. Justice begins to stir. Court adjourns. Bookman stands tall yet weary. The system gave him a sliver of justice, but not certainty. For now, he continues carrying 2 lives' weight, waiting for change.